Welcome to my aft ocean view. Room 2495 on the Carnival Dream. It's kind of a different shape, as y'all can see. It's just not the straight. I like it a lot. This little pole, you would think it would get in your way, but it is magnetic, and we don't have any extras. If we would have known, we would have brought them. But if you need to hang stuff, we actually didn't need to use it. But you can all the way down the pole, like your wet swimsuit, or well, your semi-wet swimsuit, or your hats, or whatever. We've got the vanity area here, so I got my brushes and all my junk there, as you can see. We've got the little drawers and the stool and the trash can that better fits right there. Just FYI. Nothing. That's not ours. Can't get into that. But you can see Ronnie has all of his hats, and I have a couple of hats hanging there as well. And then we have, it's a small area, but it actually worked good. We've got our shelves. And of course, if you have the life jackets here, you can always move them under the bed to give you an extra shelf right there. So there's our shelves. Yeah, very neatly put together. And then here's our little hanging area. And then there's another shelf on top right there. So we just took our towels for the Lido deck and put them up there. And my shoes. I didn't bring quite so many shoes this time. There's my lipstick. All right. So head over this way, and the bathroom is in the very corner. It's just your standard bathroom. As you can see, it's got the little shelves on the wall where you can put your makeup, and the Carnival Dream does still have the showers with the curtains. I hear there's some rooms that have the glass doors, but probably suites, if I had to guess. But then you also have your hooks on the back of the door where you can hang all your little goodies, whatever you've got in your little travel bags. Everybody's got one. So here's our TV. We've got, in these two little drawers, there's your safe. But there is room on the sides. You can't move it, but there's rooms on the sides if you wanted to put stuff in there as well. Especially if you're not using the safe, you can utilize the whole thing. And then down here, we have our refrigerator. And we bring Diet Cokes. We got a bottle of wine in there. And then whatever else you need to stick in there. And then we have our ocean view. So we're on deck 2, as we said. So we're very close to the water. It's beautiful right here. I love this. There's a nice little area right here in the window where you can put all your junk, whatever you need to put here. As Ronnie is using it for his extra equipment and so forth. Look at our towel animal. How stinking cute is he? A little bat. And then on both sides of the beds, we have the little nightstands, and they also have storage inside of them. This one has extra pillowcases in there, sheets or whatever. You've got lamps on both sides. And then over here in this area, of course, we have a nightstand as well. And then we just have an extra little table, which is come in handy, I mean, to store whatever you need to store on it. So there's not a couch in this room, but I don't know, I kind of like this room. I know Ronnie usually prefers a couch, so if you're a couch person, this room is not for you. But I like it. I like the size of it. It's a lot bigger than a regular interior, or it feels like it's a lot bigger than just a normal straight interior. So I hope y'all enjoy. Bye.